Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a freshly extruded filament. On the left, we have the Speedster, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, and, on the right, the tech-packed Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with the price. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is priced at a wallet-friendly $279. That's right, folks. For less than the cost of a decent gaming chair, you can start printing your dreams. On the other hand, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M comes in at $399. That's a bit more cheddar, but hey, maybe it's got some fancy bells and whistles to justify that extra dough. Let's see if it's worth skipping a few lattes for. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a 5x high-speed printing capability with a max print speed of 250 millimeters per second. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. It's so fast, you'll have your model printed before you can finish saying extruder. But wait, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is here to give it a run for its money. With a Core XY system and a ludicrous 600 millimeters per second max speed, this thing is basically a warp drive for your filament. 0 to 600 millimeters per second in 0.025 seconds? It's like it's been training with the Flash. Just remember to buckle your seatbelt. Now, let's talk extrusion and cooling. The Kobra 2 Neo has a newly integrated extruder and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It melts filaments faster than a hot knife through butter and cools them down quicker than your ex's heart. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M isn't slouching around either. With a 50W heating power and a nozzle that heats up to 200 in just 35 seconds, it's ready to print before you can say thermoplastic. Plus, its vibration compensation means smoother prints with zero ghosting. It's like it's haunted by the ghost of perfect prints past. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling. It's so smart, it's practically a PhD in Z-axis compensation. Even novices can print like pros right out of the box. No more fiddling with screws and praying to the 3D printing gods. Not to be outdone, the Adventurer 5M offers full auto one-click leveling. It's like the easy button for 3D printing. From unboxing to printing in 10 minutes, it's the microwave dinner of 3D printers, but way cooler and without the soggy middle. The Kobra 2 Neo also provides excellent customer service with a 1-year after-service warranty. It's like having a tech support buddy who's got your back, even at 3 a.m. when your print decides to spaghetti itself. On the flip side, the Adventurer 5M comes with a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery. So if you run out of filament or your cat decides to unplug your printer mid-print, you can resume right where you left off. It's basically the superhero of 3D printers, always ready to save the day. Summarizing the Amazon reviews, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its ease of assembly, fast printing speed, and high print quality, making it a great value for beginners and those on a budget. However, some users mentioned issues with print quality and noise. On the other hand, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is appreciated for its high speeds, precision, and automatic bed leveling, with users noting its reliability and excellent customer support. Some users did experience firmware issues and found the touchscreen small. So, there you have it. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is the budget-friendly speed demon, while the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is the feature-packed powerhouse. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, And hit the bell icon so you never miss another product showdown. Until next time, stay smart and happy printing. Product links are in the description.